Welcome back to Say What Official. We're thrilled to have you join us again for more exciting quizzes and brain-teasing trivia. So, are you ready to test your knowledge? Let's dive right in.
Which planet is closest to the Sun?
Yes, Mercury.
Which planet is known as the Red Planet?
Correct, Mars.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
You got it, Jupiter.
Which planet has the most visible rings?
Right, Saturn.
Which planet is the hottest?
Yes, Venus.
Which planet is called the Blue Planet?
Correct, Earth.
Which planet rotates on its side?
Right, Uranus.
What is the smallest planet in the solar system?
Yes, Mercury.
Which planet is called the Morning Star?
You got it, Venus.
What is the name of our galaxy?
Correct, Milky Way.
What type of object is the Sun?
Yes, star.
What is the closest star to Earth after the Sun?
Right, Proxima Centauri.
What are the largest types of stars called?
Correct, supergiants.
Which mission first landed humans on the Moon?
Yes, Apollo 11.
Who was the first person to walk on the Moon?
Right, Neil Armstrong.
What was the first artificial satellite in space?
Correct, Sputnik 1.
Who was the first human to travel into space?
Yes, Yuri Gagarin.
What is the largest moon of Saturn?
You got it, Titan.
Which planet has the Great Red Spot?
Correct, Jupiter.
What is the name of the Mars rover launched in 2020?
Right. Perseverance.
Which planet has a day longer than its year?
Yes. Venus.
Which planet rotates the fastest?
Correct. Jupiter.
Which planet is farthest from the Sun?
You got it. Neptune.
What is the largest object in the asteroid belt?
Right. Ceres.
The Kuiper belt is beyond which planet?
Yes. Neptune.
Which planet has the largest volcano?
Correct. Mars.
What is the name of the largest volcano in the solar system?
Right. Olympus Mons.
Which planet is called the ice giant?
Yes. Neptune.
Which planet has the fastest winds?
Correct. Neptune.
Which planet is the brightest in the night sky after the moon?
You got it. Venus.
What is the International Space Station used for?
Yes. Research.
What protects Earth from solar radiation?
Correct. Earth's magnetic field.
What is the most common type of galaxy?
Right. Spiral galaxies.
Which planet is known as the gas giant?
Yes. Jupiter.
Which planet is the coldest in the solar system?
Correct. Uranus.
What is the speed of light?
Yes. It's 300,000 kilometers per second.
Which telescope gave us stunning space images for decades?
Yes. Hubble.
What is the James Webb Telescope mainly designed to observe?
Yeah, it's for infrared light.
What is a black hole's gravity so strong that even cannot escape? Complete this.
Yes. Light cannot
What is the name of Earth's natural satellite?
Yes, Moon.
Please subscribe and we will see you next time. Take care.